Morning everyone, Carl, Scooter Boy 1970. What I thought I'd do today is show you everything I've got for the Series 2 build. There it is over there, Series 2 build. And so I'll walk you through it. You've all seen the kit that I showed on an earlier video. That's an RT195. I'm going to go long stroke on that one. 60mm stroke. And a 110 com rod, so that should be quite nice. Fairly generic light switch. I'm just trying to find the bits and pieces. What we got here? Switch housings, gear switch housing, rods, levers, throttle twist, and another light switch housing. Indian, but well, hopefully that should be alright. That's that. Full black rubber kit. All usual stuff. Pretty much everything in there, hopefully. Rear number plate housing, and yes, you're probably right, that's not for a Series 2, but all will be revealed in the future. Full BGM cable kit. I've used a couple of the inners for somebody else, but I'll get new stuff anyway. But yeah, BGM cable kit. Try and get this out. This is a Series 2 turning front mudguard fitting kit. And that's the Horncast extensions. Hopefully you can see that right. That's that. Clutch kit from Martin Corrado. He supplied that for me from Just Lambretta. Martin Corrado. He always provides quality parts. What we got here? Some of this stuff I literally just bought and put in the box, so I can't really remember. What's in there? Oh yeah, this is Sticky's sat-nav mount, GoPro mount. Looking forward to fitting that. Always buy quality parts, apart from the Indian stuff. Fuel hose, SIP speedo, rev counter. See how good that is to fit. I think the fitting's okay, but it's getting everything programmed in. Fuel tap, fast flow fuel tap. Headlight. All the chrome surround, that's going to be black. I'm having no bling. Contrary to a couple of club members' views. Another mudguard fitting kit. That came with the actual mudguard itself. Multi-tool, obviously not for the Lambretta, but for the toolkit. full nut and bolt kit, washers and spacers, because I know pretty much all of the bolts and stuff are going to shear because it looks like it's been in a ditch. There's those. What else we got? Oh yeah, panel handles. Got these from Dave in the club. Lammy Dave. Screwtape handles, not been used. All courtesy of Dave. Very much appreciated. He's also got a tube channel on YouTube, Lammy Dave. MB Scooters wiring loom, this is a simplified one, but it's got the extensions for if you want to have a battery and stuff on it. That's got all the extension bits. Should have got the black cabling really, but didn't know what I was going to do at the time. But that's fine, I'm happy with that. Should make wiring it up a little bit easier. Oh yeah, Jamie at Super Ivar. These trunnions, straight jackets, the original straight jackets. Should be using those. That's not your lunch. JB Fabrications, John Betts. Is the take off the cut off the side panel handle, the catch, fit that in, and you can unscrew it. It's easier to take your rear wheel off. New Horncast badge, but I don't know if I'm going to be using it yet. Might speak to Keith at K2 Customs to do me a custom one, but I'll let you know on that one. Sluck, bridge piece kit, an absolute must, because those bridge pieces are a pain in the arse to fit, where the bolts are. That's that. That's that. Let's put these back. Turning front mudguard, Spanish. Never fitted one, so it could be interesting. If anyone knows a good way of fitting them, please leave a comment. Oh, and I've also got a JB JB Fabrications oil can spare wheel for the spare wheel. Actually got two different sorts. Got that one. And that one. Not quite sure what one to use, but we'll swap between the two. There's my backlight from Motone Customs. I won't show you that because it's kind of like a bit of a secret. But yeah, should look nice. I think that's about it, to be honest. Something else that I've bought for it are the side panels. Still wrapped and oiled, that one. But that one's been unwrapped because I've had done a couple of designs in pinstripe on that one. But obviously I've taken off